My name's Zach, this is my guitar, and this is my new Mazda. I used to drive a Mazda 3, and now I drive a new Mazda CX-5. So this is my third car from Kiefer Mazda. So I started playing guitar when I was 15. I was on an out-of-tune guitar that my brother-in-law left behind, and I just kind of picked it up by ear. I like listening to Pandora music, those kind of things, so the Bose sound system is pretty cool. I like the storage capacity in the back. It's cool for when I want to play soccer games, and also, music equipment, like my guitar, and take a trip down to California, those kinds of things. So it's pretty cool, especially when I play a Bose sound system or show the touchscreen capabilities. I think it's a pretty sweet ride. Found consistently the gas mileage is around 25-30 miles a gallon. It's pretty good. I would say if you want good service, go to Kiefer Mazda. They're really helpful and friendly. At Mazda, they really did what worked for me. Thanks, Kiefer Mazda.